Why the fuck are we still buying these? $67 on discount, 90 regular. I could make 48 ounces of this for about 20 bucks. That's absurd to me. I just decided to take a look at a bit of information here, and I'm looking at the ingredients. A lot of the ingredients in here are unnecessary, and the ones that are necessary are in most people's houses. So we've got turmeric extract, organic dandelion powder, organic milk thistle extract, organic ginger powder, purified water, organic erythritol, I can't say that one, organic orange juice concentrate, citric acid, potassium citrate, sodium citrate, organic flavors, xanthan gum, organic monk fruit extract. Now come with me and we'll take a look around. Here's our fruit bowl. Lemons and oranges. That's a giant box of ginger that we haven't known what to do with. Now, I did have to go to the store to get turmeric in the root form, but we do have turmeric powder and lots of it. Simple syrup. I'm also going to throw in some cayenne pepper and black pepper for an extra boost. Those were also in the cabinet. So out of this, we really need turmeric, ginger, orange juice, and lemon, which is citric acid. Outside of that, a little bit of sweetener, which would be the organic monk fruit. We can make a simple syrup, supplement that. All right, so most of these items are in most people's houses. I can almost guarantee it. So I did a little math and I found that 3 bottles is 24 doses and that costs $90, and 6 packs is 48 doses and that costs $160. 24 doses is 48 ounces. I'm pretty sure I can do it for less. So let's make some doughs. Oranges, lemons. This ginger, we didn't know what to do with. Turmeric, water, blend. Simple syrup, black pepper, cayenne pepper. Oh, it is spicy. So let's put this into perspective. That cost me about $10. I made 24 ounces, 48 ounces. I could make 48 ounces of this for about 20 bucks. $67 on discount, 90 regular. That's absurd to me. Is it the same? No. Is it as sweet? No. There's my 2 ounces. But there's my gut shot. And I'm gonna make a bunch of these for 20 bucks. I am not paid for this. Now, to dose, this is not meant to disrespect you in any way, shape, or form. I think you have a fantastic idea and a fantastic product. I do think that this tastes really good. It's very easy to go down. I think with a little bit of work on my end for getting the doses of each thing correct, could probably make it taste pretty similar. Yours is very well done. So in the end, I ended up using 9 oranges, 3 lemons, a handful of ginger, and a couple of sticks of turmeric. Probably about a quarter of a bottle of simple syrup. This is 12 ounces, so about 3 ounces. Could have probably gone a little bit more. So I'd say probably like 3 to 6 ounces of simple syrup. Maybe a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of cayenne and black pepper, depending on your taste. If you don't want to use fresh turmeric, use powdered turmeric. Totally fine. And the moment of truth. You're not in this.
Oh.
We gotta see his face. He hasn't tried this yet.
All right. It smells really good. Ooh, it's really good.
I know, right?
Yeah. I think it's like the perfect amount of spiciness. The ginger and cayenne are doing their job.
I've probably had 3 of these shots in the amount of time that I've been working on this, so
It's
I'm
really good.
feeling real good tomorrow.
It's really good. I like it.
Awesome. So why are we paying these prices?